I thought this was Windows 10 Home, but it's actually Windows 10 Pro. I don't know what difference is between Home and Pro, but we'll see what happens. Seems to be good. I should have disconnected the second screen, so it's only one screen. So when I put it into this computer, it doesn't pick up the double screen unless I fuddass around and remove that there, the graphics card, and put that into there so it picks up the same driver. But we shall see how it all pans out. This computer here was originally $50. I just increased a bit more RAM and put a graphics card in. I did have the old SSDs floating around. I've got lots of hard drives floating around. So that's basically a $50 computer. And this one here was 100% free. Power supply was free. The case was free. The case does have a glass side. I bought the fans off Temu. I think they were like $8 each or something. There's 3. So there's another 2 on the far side. I was done about them on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. The graphics card is just my tester. The RAM, that's 4 of 4 gig each. It's just ones that's had lying around of DDR3. I know that's still an old system, but it is faster than that hunk of pop over in that corner. The downfall with this case is I don't have a cover for the top here, and it's missing. Crikey, I don't even know if you can see that. That's better. The USB 2, USB 3, the audio jack and the microphone jack is all missing. The LED is actually falling in, so I use a bit of hot snot glue to bang that in. Might be able to see that a bit better now. Yeah, they're just Molex connectors, so the fans got one speed regardless. It's not too bad. It's not too bad of a board. There's the back there. Right, so yeah, if you want to know what brand it is, Silverstone case, which I've heard they're not too bad. They make good server cases and things like that. This case here was free. The board, CPU, yeah, everything was free. The only thing I've had to pay for was some fans, and they were like $8 each or something. Yeah, so we shall continue on and see what happens. I'll bring you back once this is all updated, make sure everything still goes and I can still get all my passwords and bits and bobs out of that, and then we'll put that hard drive right there into this one and see if this one will start up. Being Windows 7 too, I think that runs on the MBR type partition, and I think I need the GPT for Windows 10. So it'll be interesting if this install actually updates that or leaves it on the slower speed. But nevertheless, we can yeah, this is just all trial and error, as I says. So I'll be back once I put the CD key in. Obviously this doesn't take a wee while. We're on 37%. Oops, I'll turn that flash off. It's a bit better. 37%. Your PC will start several times. Yeah. Right, I'll bring you back once this is all done and I've checked it, and I'll bring you back when we do the first start on this computer here.